Umlingisi uGlen Gabela owayaziwa kakhulu ngelika Pastor Mdletshe kuzalo ubenengxoxo evulekile lapho eveza khona lezi ndaba.
Do you think there are people in this industry who like influence?
There are. Going back to my colleague, my wife, Manzuza, apparently I heard that from another source, right? From within, very close colleague. When she apparently left Uzalo, she resigned because reasons that she put forth was such that I won't be able to work. No, Glen Gabela.
Hey, man.
And
she didn't like you.
She didn't.
And it happened.
But it happens.
Yeah. Like I don't click with you.
Absolutely. And she took it further from the very same source. Apparently, she had threatened to go to the SABC to blacklist me so that SABC should never ever work with me.
That's deep. Again. Does he have that power? Or was just maybe saying it out of
I don't know what happened. I don't know whether she did, go forth with that threat and, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I was devastated.
You lost your job.
Yeah. I was living with my mom. My mom was elderly, right? She was very sickly, right? My daughter was in grade 7 back then.
Wow.
Right? Now, I'm the sole breadwinner. I put all my baskets, all my eggs in this one basket. Okay? Now, if the carpet is pulled under your feet, you know what I'm saying? What do? Depression, I was attacked by depression for 3 months. I lay flat on my back. I couldn't do anything.